Hello and welcome to Modern World History. I'm Mr. Moeller. I'm looking forward to meeting you all in class virtually soon. But for now, I wanted to give you an overview of our course on Schoology so that you can successfully navigate it without any confusion. Okay, so first of all, you want to be on the materials page. If you go to courses and click our course, I'm just using Bell 5, it should bring you to the materials page. And you'll see here is what is right now on the materials page. You've got this video and the welcome back, your syllabus, which you need to review with your parents so you can understand grading policies and what we'll be covering in the course. The units are listed here, so our actual lessons and materials, vocabulary sets, which you'll need to study every unit, Withrow's Bell schedule for virtual learning, and then how to contact me. Okay, so I want to go now into a unit to show you how it's laid out so you can understand it. So there will always be an introduction, and you should review that before every unit and before every lesson there's an introduction, and it will always look the same. So there's the essential question, perhaps a reflection or a video to watch, the words or the vocabulary you need to explore. So this one just has a link to the whole unit's Quizlet set. The learning goals, the checklist, and the tools. You really need to focus on the checklist here because there are always things that you need to do. So before you start this unit, you need to do the pre-assessment just to see what you already know. Then you'll need to make sure you join our class page on Quizlet so you can study your vocabulary. And then you'll start by going to week 1, the folder for those first lessons. I'll get to that in a second. For now, let's see. So here's the unit page. You'll want to review the introduction, do the pre-assessment, and then you'll see that it's laid out by week. So you obviously want to start in week 1. And you see that the lessons have dates based on our class schedule. Okay? So on September 1st, you'll want to go to this live lesson. September 4th, which is this first Friday, you'll go to this live lesson. This, however, is self-directed. So it's listed as the first day of the week, and you need to complete it by whenever the assignments say they are due. So these ones are due on the 7th and on September 14th. Okay? So I want to be clear. Let me go back to the week. There is a difference between when the lesson happens, like September 1st, September 4th, and when the assignments are due. So if we click on lesson 1, this assignment is due, your first assignment is due on September 4th. Okay? So I know that can be a lot. Just make sure that you join the lesson, if it's a live lesson, on the day it has listed here, and you complete the assignments by the dates listed on the assignment. If you want a clearer overview of what's due, you'll want to go back to the materials page and look at your upcoming list. These are the due dates for your assignment. Okay, so it's not your class schedule, but it's the due dates for each assignment in the course. Okay, so that's the basic overview of the course. Now I want to cover how you'll actually join class on Google Meet. Okay, so make sure you review the schedule, and then for Bell 5, you go to Google Meet and you use this join code. So I'm going to copy it, go to Clever, which you log into with Google, click on Google Meet, click join or start a meeting, and then I'm going to copy that join code in here and press continue. Now, this is for Bell 5. So if you are in my 7th period, you do Withrow, Moeller 7. First period is Withrow, Moeller 1, and so on. Okay? So enter that join code when it's time to start class. Press continue. And then you should join with your microphone off so that there's not a bunch of noise. And you can leave video on and then press join now. And then you'd be in the meeting with me. If it's not started yet, just wait until the start time. Okay? So that's that. This is our course on Schoology. Quick little note here, if you ever click this picture, it will bring you to the unit that we are in. So right now it's unit 0. Okay, look forward to seeing you.